Namaste and a very good morning to all. My name is Ayush Tanani. I am from class 2D, SMT1. I welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Today is 11 September 2021 અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે ભાદરવા સુદ પાંચમ છે. Now let us begin our day with prayers.
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव, सुखहर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची, पूर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची, सर्वांगी सुंदर शेंदुराची, कंठी झळके बाळ मुक्ता फळांची. जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव खचित फरा तुझी गौरी कुमरा, चंदनाची उटी कुंकुम केशरा, हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा, रुजळती नुपुरे चरणी घागरिया. जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर फणीवर वंदना, सरसोंड वक्रतुंड त्रिनयना, दास रामाच्या पाहे सगना, संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव.
નમસ્તે, મારું નામ મંત્ર માનકર છે. ગુરુર બ્રહ્મા ગુરુર વિષ્ણુ ગુરુર્દેવો મહેશ્વરા, ગુરુર સાક્ષાત પરબ્રહ્મા, તસ્મૈ શ્રી ગુરુવે નમઃ, તસ્મૈ શ્રી ગુરુવે નમઃ. મિત્રો, થોડા દિવસ પહેલા મારો પ્રિય તહેવાર એટલે કે શિક્ષક દિન હતો. દર વર્ષે ભારતમાં શિક્ષક દિન 5મી સપ્ટેમ્બરના દિવસે ઉજવવામાં આવે છે. તે ભારતના એક સર્વોચ્ચ શિક્ષક એવા ડોક્ટર સર્વપલ્લી રાધાકૃષ્ણનની યાદમાં ઉજવવામાં આવે છે. ટીચર્સ ડે કઈ રીતે ઉજવાય તેના વિશે મારા મિત્રો પાસેથી સાંભળીએ. નમસ્તે. Teachers Day is very special occasion
for everyone, especially for a teacher and a student. It is celebrated by students every year to pay respect to the teacher. 5th September has been declared Teachers' Day in India. It is celebrated on auspicious occasion of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday, who was a great teacher and President of India.
On this day, special students present sincere wishes and prayers to their teachers and organize singing competition, dancing competition, drama and mimicry of their loving teacher to feel them proud.
In some schools, students dress up as teachers and take the role of teacher by conducting the classes. Students present cards, flowers and special gift to their favorite teacher to show their love, affection and respect to the teacher.
They prepare little speeches in honor of their teacher. We should realize the importance and need of our teachers in our lives, and we should celebrate Teachers' Day every year to honor the contribution of teachers. Thank you. धन्यवाद मेरे मित्रों, आप सभी ने बहुत अच्छी जानकारी टीचर्स डे के बारे में हमें दी। अब मैं मेरे दोस्तों को बुलाना चाहता हूँ जो शिक्षक के बारे में अपनी भावनाओं को एक कविता के माध्यम से कहेंगे।
नमस्ते शिक्षक, हम स्कूल रोज जाते, शिक्षक हमको पाठ पढ़ाते, दिल बच्चों का कोरा कागज उस पर नाम अमृत लिखवाते, जाति धर्म पर लड़े ना कोई, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते, हमें सफलता कैसे पानी कैसे चढ़ना शिखर बताते, सत्य है स्कूलों में अच्छा एक इंसान बनाते।
गुरुओं की अमृत वाणी हमेशा मुझको याद रहे, जो अच्छा है जो बुरा है उसकी हम पहचान करें, मात मिले चाहे जैसा भी उसका हम सम्मान करें, दीप चले अंगारे हों पाठ आपका याद रहे, अच्छाई और बुराई का जब भी हम चुनाव करें, गुरुओं की अमृत वाणी हमेशा मुझको याद रहे।
शिक्षक है शिक्षा का सागर, शिक्षक बाटे ज्ञान बराबर, शिक्षक मंदिर जैसी पूजा, माता पिता का नाम है दूजा, प्यासे को जैसे मिलता पानी, शिक्षक है वो जिंदगानी, शिक्षक न देखे जात पात उनके लिए सब एक समान, शिक्षक माझी नाव किनारा, शिक्षक डूबते का सहारा, शिक्षक का सदा ही कहना, श्रम लगन है सच्चा ज्ञान। धन्यवाद। Thank you. Very nice. Now I would like to call my friend Purva to share his experience.
My teacher took my iPod. My teacher took my iPod. She said they had a rule. I couldn't bring it into class or even to the school. She said she would return it. I would have back that day. But then she tried my headphones on and gave a click on play. She looked little startled. After just a while, she made sure we were occupied and cracked a big smile. Her body started swaying. Her toes began to tap. She started growing in her seat and rocking to the rap. My teacher said she changed her mind.
She thinks it's now okay to bring my iPod into class. Then she takes it every day. Thank you.
Thank you, Purva. I request all of you to rise for the national anthem. Assembly Saudhan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now I would like to call a parent, Miss Meeta Pathak, to share her views for Point to Socho.
Namaste everyone. Myself Smita Pathak. I am an educator in kindergarten. Today I want to wish Happy Teachers' Day to different individuals, the teachers and the student. A mother, educated or not, is the first and the best teacher in an individual's life. The very existence of a teacher is because of his or her students. It is integrated in the roots of our tradition as well. If you look at the relationship of a guru and a shishya, from Guru Dronacharya to his great shishya Arjuna, from Guru Vashisht to Lord Rama. As Sadhguru says, learning to listen is the essence of living. When we listen to our students, when we are interacting with them, both the individuals are obtaining knowledge. But in the past decade, the relation of a teacher and a student has apparently undergone a drastic change. Gone are the days when the students used to put the teachers above God. The relationship has become casual nowadays. How can we bridge the gap between a teacher and a student? Socho, socho.
Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your valuable time. Now I would like to invite TGES music team for an exit song.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. इस जीवन